Hi, I'm Dr. Dave David. I'm a cosmetic surgeon and a board-certified obstetrician. But you know, as a cosmetic surgeon, I'm always on the lookout for new solutions and supplements that I can share with my patients to combat the visible effects of aging, including hair loss. And that's why I was so impressed when I came across Profollica, a hair regrowth system designed specifically for men suffering with alopecia, which is a big word for male pattern baldness. Now, this is a powerful three-step system that deals with the #1 enemy of healthy hair for men, dihydrotestosterone, which is otherwise known as DHT. Now, DHT literally poisons the hair follicles on the top of your head and causes them to shrink and then disappear. So it's not just enough to clean your scalp, eat healthy diet, wash your hair less, all those things are great, but you need to actually decrease your body's production of this DHT. And that's what makes Profollica so powerful. It starts on the inside, inhibiting your body's production of DHT with a 100% natural daily supplement of potent herbals scientifically recognized for their DHT reducing effects. All while Profollica's daily shampoo and activator gel work on your scalp from the outside now to eliminate more serious scalp conditions like dandruff, psoriasis, oily hair, itchy scalp, which can all impede hair growth. So, as a doctor, I am the first to point fingers at these innumerable bogus claims by so many of these so-called hair regrowth systems being marketed today. But I give Profollica my wholehearted recommendation, and any man looking to defeat hair loss could benefit from trying Profollica's powerful three-step hair regrowth system.